to reverse a bit.
No, that's more than enough. I can turn the whole bus from there. We're going to be doing the parallel parking using this car in front of you there. Are you okay to take full responsibility to do this by yourself? Let's do that.
I'll be worried if I don't now.
Yep.
My test is in 6 days.
Mm-hmm.
See, now I'm too far out, so I need to go towards the curb a little bit, don't I? There we are. See, now I'm quite far out, I think. So I can move forward.
Take a deep breath. How do you think you did?
Well, I mean, I'm parallel now, so technically I've done it. Because you can drive forward to correct yourself, can't you?
You will get minor mistake for that. But ask yourself this question. Luckily, there was no car behind us. What if you only have a space for within 2 cars, so you can't go that far back? Then what would you do?
Because I was just quite far away from the curb, wasn't I?
Okay, yes, you are. I'm going to ask you some questions because your test coming up, your test standard ready. Try to get your knowledge out. When we are doing the parallel parking, what method do we use? One to the straight to the left, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's one
And then
one to the left,
then
2 to the right,
and then
then one to the right.
one to the left again.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah.
So when your car was in the middle, you did excellent. You went to reverse gear. You did your observation. And when the side wing mirror in the middle of the car, I can see you did one to the left. So far, so good. Your second reference was spot on.
Yeah.
What did you do wrong that you end up going too far out?
I didn't do 2 to the right, did I?
How much do you do then?
I think I only did 1, didn't I? I basically just went back.
No, if you do 1, then you're going to end up going too close. So you did 2, but what else do you do?
I don't know. What did I do?
You did 2.5 to the right.
So that's why
You
I was
put
too
full
far.
lock to the right. We don't put full lock to the right.
Right, okay. Yeah.
We only do, so like, for example, look at my hand. So 1.
Yeah.
Now, as your car come over here, we do 1 to the right to make your left wheel to go straight. And then 1 more, so straight wheel go to the right. But what you did 1, 2, and full. So instead of your wheel like this, you did like that.
And I thought my reference points are right. I thought, so why was I so far out? But that's
and because
that's
of that reason, so if your wheels are this too, the car will be coming like this. Because you put full, the car went like this.
Out, yeah. So my reference points were right. And
it was 100% correct.
And my observations were right.
Your observation was correct.
Yeah.
But you need to ask yourself this question, that what if the examiner made you ask to do maneuver in between the 2 cars? What if they try not to do it, then would you able to go this much back? You might not be. So if that happened in your exam, if you're too far out and you can't reverse more back because there's a parked car there and you have to readjust it, what would you do then?
Would you just go out and do it again?
Can
you do it again? Can you ask them
100.
to do it again?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you only had like one chance to do it, and if you fail it, you fail it.
No, you can do it again.
I know you can correct
But
yourself,
obviously, when you're going out, you have to do your mirror, signal, blind spot, everything again.
So if I failed that, I could just say, "Can I do it? Start again." And...
Absolutely.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Would you want to do this again, or you understand your
no,
mistake?
Let me do it again. Let me do it again.
Okay, let's do this.
I might have to reverse a bit.
No, that's more than enough. I can turn the whole bus from there. As you go.
Let's try this again, shall we?
That's why say out loud, one to the left.
And then 1, 2 to the right.
That's better. You see?
Yeah.
Now you're going to see the magic. That's it, good. Make sure look at the right blind shoulder check as well.
Yeah.
That's it, good.
And then
If there's any car coming, you might have to. And what if any pedestrian near here decide? Then what would you do again?
Stop.
And any car coming behind you?
Stop.
And when there goes, what would you do first?
Check your mirrors.
And then go.
There we go.
So now you know what did you do wrong first time.
So I knew I had my reference points. I just obviously didn't count my steering.
Yes. Happy with this?
Yeah.